If you want to change home screen wallpaper on the Motorola Moto G87, you can open the settings on your phone. Then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to personalize. Once you open personalize, then over here we should be able to select the lock screen to see both lock screen and home screen on our phone. And what you can do over here is you can go to, let's say, curated images or dynamic images, or for example, your gallery in order to choose the photo that you wish to set. In the case of curated images, you will see this menu most likely. So you can go to more wallpapers over here to find some example categories that you can use. So let's say I'm gonna go to cityscapes, and let's say I'm gonna choose an example picture which I want to set as the home screen wallpaper. So after selecting it, as you can see, we have the preview. You can also tap on the lock screen on a home screen, and you should be able to zoom in and zoom out, and also move left and right to adjust the wallpaper slightly. And you can tap on this check in the upper right corner to save your changes. And then we're gonna tap on set wallpaper. And if you want to change the wallpaper just for home screen, then of course you want to uncheck the lock screen. You just want to make sure that home screen is selected. Then tap on set. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.